This is a special recipe, that sweet pachadi, which my grandchildren love because it's sweet and it has a lot of fruits in it. So let's go on with the ingredients. This is 1 cup of banana, ripe banana, Attica. 1 cup of pineapples diced into small. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And this is for topping pomegranate, madalam, and dark grapes, mundringa. And this is for seasoning, mustard, curry leaves, onions, dried chili. And this is for grinding into a paste. 1/2 cup of coconut grated, 1/2 teaspoon of jeera, 1 green chili. If you want it a little more spicy, you can add 2 green chili. Or even because you add all the sweet things, you can add 1 cup of pumpkin too, matanga, if you want it a little more fruits in it. So we're going to cook in 1/2 cup of water the pineapple and the banana, and salt, turmeric, and the chili powder. We need to add at least 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt in the end. Just beat it and add yogurt. In the meanwhile, we can do some seasoning. I've added the ground coconut. We're going to mix it and then add the seasoning. Well, it's all done, and I'm going to decorate it with the topping, that is grapes and pomegranate, which the children are going to love having this sweet pachadi for Onam. I hope you'll try all these recipes. Well, please do try and let me know your comments in the comments column if you liked the sweet pachadi. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now from Supermom's Kitchen.